In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links inside Behance projects. If you want to make your Behance project more interactive and easier for viewers to navigate, adding clickable links is a great option. This can be useful when you want to direct people to a portfolio page, a case study, a live website, or any other relevant destination. The good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to find the right tools inside the project builder. Start by opening your project in the Behance project builder. Once you're inside, look over to the Add Content panel on the right-hand side. From there, click on the text option. This will insert a text field into your project, which is where you'll add the words that you want people to click. Now, in that text field, type the text you want to turn into a link. It's usually best to use clear wording so viewers immediately understand where the link will take them. After typing your text, highlight the specific word or phrase you want to make clickable. Once it's selected, go to the text toolbar and click the link icon. As soon as you click that icon, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll paste the URL for the page you want to link to. Make sure the link is correct before confirming, especially if you're sending people to an important page. After pasting the URL, click Done to apply the link. At this point, your text is now linked, but you're not finished just yet. To make sure the change is saved to your project, click Update or Publish, depending on whether the project is already live or still being prepared. This step is important because without updating or publishing, your new clickable link may not appear for viewers. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link inside your Behance project. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to preview your project after publishing or updating it so you can test the link and confirm that it opens the correct page. That way you can be sure your audience has a smooth experience when interacting with your work. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add clickable links inside Behance projects.